am so excited to share my hand-drawn free Grinch Christmas coloring page with you. This free coloring page captures the Grinch and his tiny little heart that grows when he discovers that Christmas isn't all about stuff. I thought you might enjoy watching how I draw a coloring sheet. So I do it in pencil first and then go back over it with a marker, and this has been so much fun. I'm also going to do a how to draw the Grinch post, so stay tuned for that. He has a little mischievous smile there, doesn't he? We're going to bring the Grinch to life, so print yours off on some cardstock paper so the markers don't bleed through, and go grab your crayons or markers and let's get coloring together. I grabbed crayons this time because I wanted really bright and vibrant colors. So I got started on the Santa hat first. If you outline the outside edge and then fill in, you're less likely to go outside of the lines. So coloring is great for developing fine motor skills. So there I have the Santa suit, and I left the fur part white because I'm going to glue some cotton balls on it later on. Next, we're going to do his face and his hands, and we're looking for the right color green. Not too limey green, not too dark, just right in the middle. I kind of thought my red was a little bit too pink, but I'd already gotten started, so you might want to test your colors on another paper before you start coloring. I thought this green was a great color. I filled in his whole face and then did his eyes in that bright yellow. It gives a real pop of color. It makes him look like a real cartoon figure. I grabbed my black and did his eyebrows, the pupils of his eyes, and we cannot forget to go down and do that little black heart. It's small, but it won't be small for long because he's going to figure out what Christmas is all about. So when you colored in the black, then I went on and had some fun by getting some cotton balls and stretching them out so that they would fit over those fur areas on his hat, around his neck, and around the cuffs of his jacket. Once I had those in shape, I got out my glue stick, and the glue stick worked quite well actually, or you could use school glue, and then I rubbed the glue on and put the cotton balls down. It worked great and gives such a cool 3D effect. If you had fun and you like coloring, please give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps our channel out, and it lets us know that you want more of these great creative coloring sheets and crafts. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next family craft. I also had some glitter glue, and I thought that would make a fun way to color the light bulbs. Those are those big old-fashioned bulbs, and it gives them kind of a light up glow. You can just use regular markers or crayons on yours if you want. This was just an extra fun thing that I did. Plus, I used the yellow on his eyes, and it gave it a real kind of glowy look that looks a little bit mean, because, you know, the song says you're a mean one, Mr. Grinch. He doesn't stay mean the whole time though, does he? I love the way that the glitter glue gives some bling to the picture. You could glue other things onto your picture as well, like pom-poms or other little craft items you have. Well, I think we're all done. Look how well this turned out, and all these cool little details. I love our free Grinch coloring page. Be sure to check out the book or movie too. For more great craft ideas, come on over to welcometonana's.com and join the fun.